The Ecolution Copper 8-inch nonstick pan is a great addition to any family kitchen. It boasts a titanium ceramic nonstick coating. This makes cooking easier, and cleaning even simpler. Food slides right off, so you won't spend ages scrubbing. The 8-inch diameter is perfect for smaller meals. It's also great for cooking single servings. This pan can truly be an advantage in your daily cooking. This Ecolution Copper 8-inch nonstick pan has a silicone stay-cool handle. This is a fantastic feature because it stays comfortable to the touch. You won't need to worry about burning your hand. The copper color adds a nice look to your stovetop. Plus, the nonstick properties help you cook with less oil. This makes your meals healthier and tastier. It's reliable kitchen equipment for everyone. Overall, the Ecolution Copper 8-inch nonstick pan is a solid choice. It combines convenience and good performance. Women and men alike will appreciate its easy-to-clean surface. It's durable enough for everyday use. While it doesn't have automotive applications or offer servicio in a traditional sense, its kitchen service is excellent. Get ready for enjoyable cooking experiences with this pan. Pros: titanium ceramic, easy to clean, non-stick surface, silicone handle, stay cool handle. Durable build, even heating, metal utensil safe, PFOA, PTFE free, induction base. Cons: coating may degrade, non-stick lessens over time, food may start to stick, some report. Scratches, handle can get hot, possible damage on arrival, mixed reviews on sticking. Durability concerns raised, contains PFAs. Aluminum, not all find it non-stick features. Ecolution, titanium ceramic, easy clean, non-stick, silicone handle, stay cool handle. 8-inch, fry pan, copper, endure. This Ecolution 8-inch fry pan is made with titanium and ceramic, giving it a non-stick surface so food won't stick easily. It's designed to be easy to clean. The handle is made of silicone, which stays cool when you're cooking, making it safer to hold. The pan has a copper color and is part of the Endure line, suggesting it's made to last. The Ecolution 8-inch fry pan has a titanium ceramic coating for easy cleaning and a non-stick surface, plus a silicone stay-cool handle and a durable build designed for even heating and metal utensil use, all while being PFOA, PTFE free with an induction base. However, the non-stick coating may wear down, potentially causing food to stick, and some users have reported scratches and the handle getting hot. Alongside mixed reviews on its non-stick capabilities and durability, and it contains PFAs and aluminum.